Ang sagot. Pwede, try natin. X squared plus... Ay, mali Sir AJ. Mali kayo parehas, walang plus C. Part. Over 6. Ang grabe na yung over na yan. Char. Tingnan natin kung kaya kasagutin. Ito pa pala. Hindi nagdagdag. Dagdag bawas. So try natin guys. Kung kaya natin. Ba't lagi ko ito napupulot? So we have the integral ng x tapos x squared plus 1 squared dx. So mag-integrate. Paano? Hindi ko alam. Game. So we have given the integral of x times x squared plus 1 squared dx. So mag-u sub. So u sub, let u, that is x squared plus 1. So magkakaroon tayo ng du. Derivative ng x squared, that is 2x. Derivative ng constant is 0. Maglalagay tayo ng dx. So which means i-over natin by 2x para makuha natin yung dx. So which means magkakaroon tayo dito ng dx which is equals to du over 2x. So pwede natin ilagay dito. So magkakaroon tayo ng integral ng x tapos yung u natin naka-squared. Yung dx papalitan natin ng du over 2x. Wherein itong x tsaka x makakancel. Okay? So bali magkakaroon na lang tayo dito ng integral ng u squared du over 2 kasi may eliminate yung x. Then meron tayong denominator na 2, nalabas natin yan. So magkakaroon tayo ng 1/2 tapos yung integral natin ng u squared du. Then integrate na natin yung u squared. So which means magkakaroon tayo ng 1/2 times u cube, 3 yung exponent, so maging over 3 rin siya, plus c. Or magkakaroon tayo ng 1 times u cube, that is u cube over 2 times 3 is 6, plus c. O mamaya na natin ilagay yung plus c. Balik muna natin yung u in a form na x squared plus 1. So ibig sabihin magkakaroon tayo ng x squared plus 1 cube over 6 plus c. Ito yung magiging sagot. Miss, marunong pa ako guys. Yok. Chamba. Yes.